The Pathway Center is such a gift, especially for students like me. I came into Emory having an idea of what I thought I wanted to pursue after college, and that changed along the way. Having the support of advisors and other peers really meant a lot to me.
I think it's really important to invest in the student experience while they're at Emory, but also their future beyond Emory. This is a resource that I would have dreamed to have when I was here. From the moment they step on campus, it prepares them for the real world.
Now just seeing how much is going on here, how much is possible here, the physical space allows for interactions with alumni, interactions with employers, interactions with faculty.
The Pathway Center is filling such an important need to expand the horizons for students so they understand what the possibilities really are for the liberal arts education.
As an alum, it's critical to me that we support the infrastructure and programming that supports students in figuring out how to reach their goals, whatever those goals may be. And I know that this physical space will be a symbol that we can look to and a space that we can continue growing into and be proud of as a community.